Hi! Today we'll be drawing Grimm from the Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy with markers. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, consider joining our membership. Let's sketch Grimm's head and body shape. Basic outlines go on the page. Curve those lines to form a smile and add jaw details. Give Grimm his eyes and nose. It's starting to come together. Draw the hood, let it frame Grimm's face, with cloak lines cascading down. Time to add some color. Black for the hood and a touch of red on the inside. Grimm is complete.